Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can design your Shopify website. So once you've made an account and you started the free trial or you started your subscriptions, once you're on your Shopify admin dashboard, you want to go here, online store. Now there's a few ways you can design your online store. You can either design a pre-made template that's already been chosen for you. If you just first started out, the theme that you should get is called Dawn. You can customize that. Or you can pick another theme here. There's a lot of free ones, but there's a lot of paid ones as well. If you scroll down, popular free themes here, all of these are free. You can browse for more by pressing this, visit theme store. Wait for it to load. And here you'll find some other themes, but there's ones that paid and it can be quite pricey as well. Like this one is $380, quite pricey. But if you find the one you like and you think the price is worth it, then go for it. But back to the Shopify admin dashboard. Once you've picked your theme, you can customize it by pressing this button here. And from here is where our designing process starts. You can design it by either adding a section here. There's a lot here, like featured collection, featured product, rich text, image with text, image banner, slideshow, college, multi-column, multi-row, email signed up, all the works. If you want to add like maybe an image with a text, just click on it and it'll add as a section down there. You can also just customize already pre-existing text, just press on that. Here you can also image with text, you can edit with this, cool shirt, on the sort. You can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can give it a hyperlink, and you can generate the text as well. There's one more way you can design your Shopify website, and that is by coding it manually. But I don't really recommend this unless you have the know-hows. If you want to design it with code, go back to the Shopify admin dashboard, press on these three dots down here, and then press on edit code. Here, you'll find the assets of your code. The theme.liquid is mainly the one you want to be editing if you want to code it out. But again, it's quite complicated and I don't really recommend it.